What are you doing in the fridge? I tried to close it and you busted right in front of me. You're like, Dad, I gotta get in here. So what are you gonna get? You're just gonna stand there and enjoy the chill. Amelia. Dad, I need mommy's sausage up there. I need her pumpkin pie. From Boar's Head. I mean, yeah, it's amazing. I gotta reach it. Gotta get that pumpkin pie dessert hummus, Dad. Gotta get it. You just can't reach it, can you? No. Can't reach all those goodies. Uh-oh, I guess you're gonna have to go play with all your toys instead. Unless you want the Jimmy John's fully cooked turkey sausage patties. Uh-oh. No, you definitely don't need the vineyard stuff. Nope. Nope. Yeah, you want the pumpkin pie hummus that you have no idea what it tastes like? Yeah. All right, how about we'll talk to you later, okay? And we'll get you out of this fridge. Yeah. You're like, no, Dad, no. No, I'm a sketchy little baby that needs to be in the fridge. Is that how you feel? Is that how you feel? All right. You're definitely not going to reach it today. Maybe tomorrow when you grow up just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Just a little. Okay. But what are you doing? Oh. You really, really want in there. All right, well, we'll get you out of the fridge before you get in trouble by Mom, who's going to come in here and be like, what are you doing? Okay, bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye.